Hello everyone, I'm Struan from Izon Science, and today we're going to be unboxing an Exoid. The Exoid is a medium weight instrument at 13 kilograms, with the entire package weighing in at 15 kilograms. Upon opening the box, the quick start guide is on top and contains all the information you need to set up your Exoid. In the top pocket is the fluid cell container. This contains the upper and lower fluid cell, as well as the shielding cap for your Exoid. Also inside is a reference cell, should any troubleshooting be required. Next up is the box of cables, which contains a USB cable for connecting the Exoid to its operating computer, and a power cable specific to your region. For example, this one contains a Type I. Removing the upper panel reveals the Exoid. Next up, remove these 4 boxes. They're empty and just there for structural support. Once they have been taken out, the Exoid itself can now be removed. Finally, in the bottom is the power pack box. Plug the power cable into the power adapter to complete the power supply for the Exoid. The Exoid should be placed in a stable location, away from vibrations and electronic fields to reduce noise detected during measurements. To find out more, refer to the relevant Exoid documents, which can be found at support.izon.com.